Hello, it's Taylor Glass from GlampLaunch, and today we are in the Netherlands. We're actually looking at some of our shepherd's huts that we're going to start selling and distributing across the UK and Ireland. But I just thought I would very quickly give you a tour of this as an example of some of the huts that we can provide. Now, everything, as you know, at GlampLaunch is custom made and custom designed. So this is just an idea of what is possible. So let's go and take a look. One of the things immediately that you'll see is this patio decking, which I really like. You can have some wee chairs that you can sit outside and you can enjoy the sunrise or the sunset. So having like a wee area like this is very nice to have inside a hut. Also a couple of lights on the outside. Now, heading in, you'll notice how spacious this is. I can hear the echo in my voice just being in here. We've got a nice wee table here which folds up into the wall and connects in there. Some wee seating areas, an AC unit. Generally we won't put AC units in the UK because unfortunately it's not warm enough to have an air conditioning unit. We'll put a radiator in it. We have a wee kitchen area. Now this kitchen is a little bit basic. We'll make them much nicer than this. We'll build the stovetop into the kitchen unit, so we will. And just have all your basic amenities that's required. Storage and stuff. And this is obviously just a 2-person unit, so it is. You've got your bed here. Some curtains and stuff, but one thing I like is how much light there is in here. You've got the double doors, you've got a big window there, and you've got 3 windows in this wall, so there's so much space inside here, and there's so much light as well. It's very tall. I mean, I'm 5'10", and I can just about reach the roof. So let's go look at the bathroom. So really spacious bathroom. Like you don't actually need a bathroom this big. I would probably make it smaller, to be quite honest, and add more space into the hut, because this is not. Do you need a shower? Do you need to be able to dance inside the shower? I don't think so, but it's very big, very spacious, and but I like it because it's all a wet room, which means that you don't have to worry about getting water anywhere. So you don't, and you know, everything's built in. So it is. So yeah. Nice unit, all in. That's the grand tour. And like I said, this is an example model. So we can do everything custom made. We can put anything that anyone needs into it. So this is an example of what could look and how it could look. I think that there's a lot of unused space here. It's very spacious, and I think we could actually configure this a little bit smarter and make it more... utilize the space a bit more is what I'm trying to say. But overall, it's a very nice unit, and I'm very happy that we can start offering these at GlampLaunch.